हेलो वेलकम। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे MS एक्सेल के इम्पोर्टेंट वन लाइनर। ये आपको JYT पोस्ट कॉल मेंस वाई की प्रिपरेशन में पड़ेगी। तो हम शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ MS ऑफिस। नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट वर्जन ऑफ इट केम इन 1985. Next, it is an application software or a spreadsheet program. Next, first cell of Excel worksheet is A1. Next, a cell is an intersection of rows and column. Next, address of an active cell is on name box. Next, formulas and cell content is on formula bar. Next, function key to edit a cell is F2. Next, boundary of an active cell is called cell pointer. Next, comments put in a cell is cell. Next, Excel's valid data types are time, text, and number. Time, text, and number (TTN). Next, collection of cells or grid of rows and columns is called worksheet. Next, collection of worksheets and an Excel file is called workbook. Next, Excel's column contains alphabets. Next, Excel's rows contains numbers. In an Excel's cell, first comes alphabets, then comes number. For example, A25. Next, further we will cover in next video.